Policy reporting. As part of the Policies module, you are provided with an out-of-the-box Policies Report dashboard. This enables managers to quickly view the status of employee policy acknowledgements. To access your Policies Reporting dashboard, go to Policies in the Explorer sidebar and then navigate to Policy Reporting. The Policies Reporting dashboard will now open on your screen. Here, you can observe two sections. The first section is a pie chart depicting a total count of employees who have acknowledged their assigned policies versus who haven't. The second section shows the Policy Acknowledgements table. This helps the manager to view which employees have been assigned a policy and whether they have acknowledged the same or not. There is one record for every employee assigned policy combination here. If the employee has read and understood the policy, then corresponding acknowledgement date is also shown here.